Welcome to my YouTube channel Zest Invision. To watch more informative videos, subscribe my channel. Home insurance, also known as homeowners insurance or property insurance, is a type of insurance policy that provides financial protection for your home and its contents in the event of damage, theft, or other covered events. It's important for homeowners to have this insurance to safeguard their investment and personal belongings. Here are some key aspects of home insurance. Coverage types. Dwelling coverage protects the physical structure of your home, including walls, roof, floors, and built-in appliances. Personal property coverage covers your personal belongings, such as furniture, electronics, clothing, and other possessions inside the home. Liability coverage provides coverage if someone is injured on your property and you are found legally responsible. This can include medical expenses and legal fees. Additional coverages. Additional structures covers other structures on your property, like a garage, shed, or fence. Loss of use or additional living expenses covers living expenses if your home becomes uninhabitable due to a covered event, such as temporary housing and food costs. Personal liability provides protection in case you're held responsible for injuries or damages to others. Perils covered. Most policies cover a range of perils, such as fire, theft, vandalism, windstorm, hail, and sometimes flooding, if you have a separate flood insurance policy. Policy limits and deductibles. The policy will have coverage limits for various components, example, dwelling, personal property, and you'll choose a deductible, which is the amount you pay out of pocket before the insurance kicks in. Premiums. The cost of your insurance, known as premiums, is influenced by factors like the location and condition of your home, coverage amounts, deductible, and your insurance provider. Exclusions. Certain events or circumstances might be excluded from coverage, such as earthquakes or floods. In such cases, you may need separate policies for those specific risks. Policy options. Homeowners can choose from various policy options, including actual cash value, ACV, or replacement cost value, RCV, coverage, each affecting the amount you'll receive in case of a claim. It's essential to carefully review and understand the terms, conditions, and coverage of your home insurance policy. Additionally, regularly review and update your policy to ensure it adequately covers your home and possessions based on changes in your circumstances or property value. User. Home security. ChatGPT. Home security refers to measures and systems put in place to protect a residence from potential threats, intrusions, and emergencies. The primary objective of home security is to create a safe and secure environment for the occupants and their belongings. Here are key aspects of home security. Security systems. Alarm systems. These systems include sensors on doors and windows that trigger an alarm when breached. They often have a central monitoring station that alerts the authorities in case of an emergency. Surveillance cameras, video cameras placed around the home to monitor and record activities, acting both as a deterrent and a means to identify intruders. Smart home security, integrating security systems with smart home technology, allowing homeowners to monitor and control their security remotely using smartphones or other devices. Access control. Locks and deadbolts, installing high-quality locks and deadbolts on doors and windows to prevent unauthorized access. Smart locks, electronic locks that can be controlled remotely, often integrated with a smart home security system, allowing for keyless entry and monitoring of access. Security doors and gates, reinforced doors and gates that provide an additional layer of protection against forced entry. Monitoring and alerts. 24/7 monitoring. Some security systems offer round-the-clock monitoring services to respond quickly to alarms and alerts. Mobile alerts, instant notifications to homeowners' smartphones in case of suspicious activities, alarms, or emergencies at home. Home automation and integration. Smart home integration, connecting security systems with other smart home devices like lighting, thermostats, and doorbell cameras for enhanced control and automation. Voice activation, using voice commands to control security devices and systems, providing convenience and ease of use. Fire and environmental monitoring. Smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, installing detectors to alert residents of fire or high levels of carbon monoxide. Water leak sensors, sensors that detect water leaks or flooding, helping prevent water damage and mold. Community watch and neighborhood programs. Participating in local community watch programs to collaborate with neighbors and share information about potential security threats and suspicious activities. Security planning and preparedness. Security systems encompass a range of technologies and devices designed to protect properties, individuals, and assets from various security threats, such as burglaries, intrusions, fires, and emergencies. These systems can be tailored to suit residential, commercial, or industrial settings. Here are the key components and features of security systems. Control panel. The central hub that manages and controls the entire security system. Allows users to arm, disarm, or configure the system. Sensors and detectors. Door and window sensors, detect opening or closing of doors and windows. Motion sensors, detect movement within a specific area and trigger an alarm. Glass break sensors, detect the sound of breaking glass and trigger an alarm. Smoke and heat detectors, detect smoke or a rapid rise in temperature to alert occupants of a potential fire. Carbon monoxide detectors, alert occupants of high levels of carbon monoxide, a potentially lethal gas. Flood and water sensors, detect water leaks or flooding in basements, bathrooms, or other areas. Surveillance cameras. Capture video footage of the property and its surroundings. Can be wired or wireless, and some offer features like night vision and remote viewing. Alarm sirens and notifications. Audible alarms that activate when a sensor is triggered, alerting both the occupants and potentially deterring intruders. Notifications sent to homeowners or a monitoring service via phone, mobile app, or email. Key fobs and keypads. Key fobs or keypads allow for convenient arming and disarming of the security system using a unique code or key. Remote monitoring and control. Users can monitor and control the security system remotely using a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Receive real-time alerts and notifications for any security events. Access control systems. Biometric systems use fingerprints, retinal scans, or other biometric data for access control. Card/key fob systems use access cards or key fobs to grant entry to authorized individuals. Smartphone-based systems allow access via a mobile app using virtual keys or codes. Smart home integration. Integration with smart home platforms, enabling users to control security devices through voice commands or automation routines. Integration with virtual assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Panic buttons and duress codes. Special codes or physical buttons that, when activated, trigger a silent alarm to alert authorities discreetly. Security zones. Dividing the property into zones to control and monitor specific areas independently. Security signage and decals. Displaying signs and decals indicating the property is protected by a security system, acting as a deterrent to potential intruders. When selecting a security system, it's important to consider the specific needs of your property and your desired level of security. Professional installation and regular maintenance ensure optimal functionality and effectiveness of the security system. Thanks for watching my videos.